Have an amazing day. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today I have another recipe. It's about couscous. Everyone knows that couscous is national traditional Moroccan dish. It takes time to prepare this recipe. I've got a question from an American follower. She was asking about an easy recipe to prepare couscous, a perfect couscous. And today I'm gonna share with you this recipe. We will not use this couscous pot. We're gonna prepare couscous easy recipe and quickly. You're gonna love this recipe, a lot of flavors. Stay with me, let's do it together. But before we start, if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. To start this delicious recipe, we will use just a normal pot, the hot pot, and olive oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Then we're gonna add onion. I have here half onion. I'm gonna add clean chicken leg. You can use meat, beef meat, lamb meat, but I'm gonna use just chicken. Like that will be quick. Like that. While you see the onion changing the color, now we're gonna add 1 tomato, and I'm gonna add my spices. I have curcuma, ginger, black pepper and salt. Easy. Mix everything. Half tablespoon of tomato paste. And now I'm gonna add boiled water. Now I'm gonna add parsley and coriander together. Just put them on the side. Just mix and let it steam 30 minutes. I'm gonna prepare my couscous. I have 400 gram couscous. You will see it's something easy. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon olive oil. Using your hands, mix everything. Really to give it the flavor of olive oil. You see, it's ready. And here is the secret. Like that we will have fluffy couscous. I have here my homemade vegetable stock. If you want to have it fluffy, it's easy. 1 part couscous, 2 parts vegetable stock. I have 400 gram of couscous, and I have 800 millimeter of so it's okay without adding salt because it's already in the vegetable stocks. So I'm gonna let it for 20 minutes and see you there. After 30 minutes I'm gonna add carrot and turnip, because these two vegetables need more time to, and after 10 minutes I'm gonna add the rest of my vegetables. After 10 minutes I'm gonna add the other vegetable. I have here zucchini. Just cut it in two, and I'm gonna add eggplant, because I love eggplant in couscous. One pepper, and I'm gonna add pumpkin. They need just 10 minutes to be ready, so that's why we add them at the end. We cover. After 20 minutes we will see the result. Here is fluffy couscous. Since it's hot, the most important step, please, that the water, or as I put, vegetable stock, should be really very hot. So I'm gonna add another tablespoon olive oil. Give it flavor. It's okay, and we're gonna put it on side, waiting the sauce. But before you serve it, you put the couscous in microwave for 40 seconds. It's really something fluffy, like normal couscous that we prepare in a couscous pot. The most important is this couscous is steamed. Perfect. We bring chicken. I'm going to start to put my vegetables. So here is my couscous. Easy way, without couscous pot. Really something easy, everyone can prepare it at home. I hope you're gonna do it and give me feedback. See you next time, another video, another recipe, and bye bye.